Well, there's a will, there's a way, kind of beautiful. And every night has its day, so magical. And if there's love in this life, there's no obstacle that can't be defeated. For every tyrant to tear for the vulnerable. In every loss, so the bones of a miracle. For every dreamer, a dream were unstoppable. With something to believe in. Monday left me broken.
Kad si umesila pitovu jutro? Ustala rano i umesila svako.
Wednesday my empty arms were open. Thursday waiting for love, waiting for love. Thank the stars it's Friday. I'm burning like a fire gone wild on Saturday. Guess I won't be coming to church on Sunday. I'll be waiting for love, waiting for love to come around.
Dear family, liebe Kulturschaffende, ladies and gentlemen, we have a special reception. As the governor said already, Austria, Styria, and even our cities like Graz has culture, has a lot of creative people.
Trotz der Kälte fühlen sie sich notruhig, andere haben lieber diese Ahnung. Ihnen tut nur die große Hitze nicht dagegen kein Verbrauch und
Well, there's a will, there's a way, kind of beautiful. And every night has its day, so magical. And if there's love in this life, there's no obstacle that can't be defeated. For every tyrant to tear for the vulnerable. In every loss, so the bones of a miracle. For every dreamer, a dream were unstoppable. With something to believe in. Monday left me broken. Tuesday I was through with hoping. Wednesday my empty arms were open. Thursday waiting for love, waiting for love. Thank the stars it's Friday. I'm burning like a fire gone wild on Saturday. Guess I won't be coming to church on Sunday. I'll be waiting for love, waiting for love.
Naš čovjek u dresu reprezentacije Švedske, vaše ime i prezime?
Ja sam Bojan Žarković, inače rodom sam iz Žiče kod Kraljeva. Pa ja zadnjih 30 godina radim u Švedskoj, a inače zadnjih 7-8 godina radim u jednoj školi sa decom sa posebnim potrebama. Pa ovo je upravo jedan dečko iz mog razreda koji će da nastupi u umetničkom klizanju. On je jedini naš predstavnik Švedske u umetničkom klizanju.
A Švedska ima još takmičara na ovom takmičaru?
Ima Švedska, to je trupa negde od 62 člana.
Odlično. Kažete mi jer vam nedostaje Srbija, odnosno?
Kako da mi nedostaje Srbija? Zato sam i došao ovde malo da se družim s našim ljudima. Ja sam ga pitao kakva očekivanja on ima, da li je spreman potpuno, da li očekuje neku medalju. I on kaže da očekuje medalju. Sad vidjet ćemo šta će biti.
Ajde, neka vam bude sa srećom.
Hvala i vama želim sve najlepše.
Naša očekivanja su da pre svega dostojanstveno reprezentujemo Srbiju, da odigramo što bolje u svim kategorijama za koje smo došli da se takmičimo, pa vidjet ćemo. Ja mislim da smo dobro se pripremili, 7 meseci napornog rada bi moralo da da neki rezultat.
Thursday, waiting for love, waiting for love. Thank the stars, it's Friday. I'm burning like a fire gone wild on Saturday. Guess I won't be coming to church on Sunday. I'll be waiting for love, waiting for love to come around.
Spusti dole, ne moraš nežno. Idemo još jednom.
Sie kommt aus Belgrad. Wir begrüßen Marko Damjanovic. Herzlich willkommen. Marko Damjanovic from Serbia. Whoa. Well, are you ready for dancing? Let's go. Okay. Ratko Vukobratovic. Olympic journey from Serbia.
There's a hero to discover. There's no way we
Tell me your name.
Mario Richard.
Yes, you are from Canada.
Yes, sir.
I like your dances. Please tell me
thank you.
your functions and what are you doing here?
Well, our whole team is most of the figure skating team.
Yes.
And we got invited to do the contest through our Skate Canada.
Yes.
And so we got a group together, and we have one that was interested in doing a solo,
Yes.
and the rest were interested in the crew. So we divided the team in two. So we have two crews, and they practice everywhere across the country through video,
Yes.
and we practice together as a group only 4 times.
Same
Yeah.
here. Doing this.
Yeah.
I like your dance. Please tell me, is it your first time that you are in Europe?
Yes.
You like it?
Yeah, I love it. Yeah.
Wow! So, are you ready for dancing? Okay, so let's dance.
Muy buenas noches, mi nombre es Nixeida Galvez, mensajera global de América Latina y atleta líder de Panamá.
Thank you. I am a dance coach. I teach LeBlast Dance Fitness. That's the type of dance that we do. And my team is all LeBlast type of dance. And I have together 12 people on my team, a unified team.
How do you feel in Graz in Special Olympic Games?
Is it amazing? Just amazing. Same as you. The kids cannot believe they're here.
Olympics Dance Challenge for the opportunity. Dance inspires us.
Well, there's a will, there's a way, kinda beautiful. And every night has a state so magical. And if there's love.
My name is Klaus Höllbacher. I'm from Austria, from Graz, and I'm the IDO Vice President.
Yes. We are your guest on Special Olympics. You know, we prefer how it looks like in Graz. Please tell me, you have a couple who will compete on this competition.
Yeah, I have 2 couples who are competing here at this competition. One is a unified couple, and another couple is where 2 dancers are athletes.
We would like to have some information about last competition that you organized here in Graz. Please tell us some few words about that competition.
I had the IDO World Championship in street dance in October last year with about 4,500 dancers, which was really a great success. We had dancers from 35 different countries here, with dancers from Serbia too, which are very successful and very good dancers.
We have to change. Oh! Her name is Jana Paunovic. What she's dancing?
Yeah, she's telling us a story, how it happens when you turn from a musician into a dancer. So she will bring her violin and, well, see what's going to happen.
From Serbia. This is your applause. And he's 36 years old, and his name is Marko Damjanovic.
Dance.
Marko Damjanovic from Serbia. So she comes from Serbia. She's 10 years old. Please give a warm welcome to Tara Samak. Ratko, welcome.
There he is.
Hey. Wow. What a gentleman. Let's dance. Zu eurer Veranstaltung, to some words to your event?
Ja, unsere Veranstaltung stand heuer ganz im Motto Special Olympics, ein Herz für Special Olympics. Und wir haben ein bisschen was zusammengebracht und das möchte man nach diesen Leistungen da von unserem Grunde unseres Herzens weitergeben und hoffen, dass es dort Verwendung findet, wo es soll.
So it was an evening for Special Olympics for the dancing, and so they have
this little story and using a very funny song, so I think it's called the Chicken Polka.
The Olympic journey from Serbia to the Dance Contest 2017 here in Austria. Welcome!
Oh my gosh, guys, that was absolutely incredible. I mean, the teamwork in y'all's performance was amazing. You guys were all in sync, and it was such a story. I felt the energy. You guys were amazing. Great job.
There's no way we can triumph without struggle. I'm just like you, I'm trying to bring me down. I dream at night of a better day. You and I in a better place. Don't know how, but I know that I'll reach it. Don't know when, but I know that we need it.
I got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric, baby, when I turn it on. Off from my city, off from my home. We're flying up, no ceiling when we in our zone. Got this feeling in my body. Can't stop the feeling. Got this feeling in my body. Ooh.
Don't think about it, just move your body. And we can do this together. I bet you feel better when you dance it. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Are you guys ready? Then let the music play. And let's get involved. Yes, dancing. We need our mind. We need our body. And we need our soul. We do. Up. 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 You see how easy it is?
Očekivanja su se ispunila, osvojili smo bronzane medalje u kategoriji grupa, znači 12 bronzanih medalja. Damjanović Marko je osvojio 3. mesto, Jana Paunović je bila 4., Tara Samac je bila 5. Evo ja sam ove dve bronzane podigao u ime Tare Samac. Jelena Samac Tara je nažalost morala ranije da napusti takmičenje, a ovo je njeno 5. mesto. A ove medalje ćete vidjeti kasnije ostale. To je bronzana, je tako? I to je za 6. mesto u kategoriji solo. Bronza je za... Jesi ti zadovoljan, Ratko?
Ješki, baš ješki. Milica Danilović.
Milica, kažem, šta si ti to danas uradio?
Osvojila sam medalju, ja sam zadovoljna.
A koju medalju si osvojila?
Bronzom.
Bravo.
Ja zovem Ademi Đula, osvojila sam medalju bronzom.
Sad je?
Da.
Kažem, jesi napadno trenirala?
Pa da, volila bi opet da nastavim ples.
Tako.
Marko Damjanović.
Marko, ti si danas osvojio 2 bronzane medalje, tako?
Tako je.
U kojoj kategoriji?
U mojoj kategoriji.
To je kategorija solo i u kategoriji grupa, je tako?
Da.
Jesi ti zadovoljan, Marko? Hvala.
Ja sam Zoran Paunović i danas sam u svojoj 46. godini osvojio svoju prvu medalju i to na olimpijadi. Ćerka je osvojila 4. mesto, ali ćerka neće da se slika iz.
A, znači, tata je bio bolji od ćerke.
And this contest will have about 7 nations, different categories. We have solos, couples, and also crews. And our dream is to have dance sport as an official dance sport, because right now it's a demonstration sport, but I think we will make it to an official sport within the next 2 years. It was the chicken porker, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Right, yeah. So, yeah, I think the people enjoyed it because last night when you performed with your group, the people were just clapping, period. So from the first second to the very last second, they were just clapping and had so much fun watching your athletes.
Let's celebrate. Come on now. Let's celebrate. We're gonna have a good time tonight. Let's celebrate. It's all right. We're gonna have a good time tonight. Let's celebrate. It's all right.
Crvena bar za mene. Meni da vraća akreditaciju. Meni vraća akreditaciju.
To smo mi 3-4 sata.